Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create this beautiful horizontal woven braid. Let's get started. We're going to start with the first two cords here to the left. The very far left cord is going to tie around the next cord by going over to form a loop. I twist it around and then pull it through the loop and pull it tight. Then I'm just going to kind of twist it around so the rope we used to tie the knot is now headed towards the right. Then I tie it around the next cord using the same method. Over to form a loop, then around the cord and through the loop where I pull it tight and then twist it around so it's back towards the right. And repeat. Okay, just remember always that the same cord is the one that ties the actual knot, okay? We always use the same cord. Just like that. And now my first row of knots is finished. Now to get the braided effect, we will be tying a second row, moving this time from right to left. Okay, the same rope is the one that is still tying all the knots. So I just take it over that first cord, around and through, pull it tight, then I take that rope, twist it around so it's headed towards the left. Over, around and through, pull it tight, then twist it back around so it's headed towards the left. And I just keep repeating. Just like that. This gives a really cool woven horizontal braided effect. And if you want to keep making more rows, we just repeat. So now I would be going back towards the right using the same method as before. Like that. So this is how you can make multiple rows of that beautiful woven horizontal braid. Okay, of course you can keep repeating this pattern over and over again as many times as you would like. And if you would like a different effect, you can make your rows all go the same direction just to give a whole new look. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.